One day a gentleman was walking through an elephant camp in the jungle. And he noticed that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or adopted by the use of big chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp, just a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. The man was completely confused as to why the elephants didn't just use their strength to tear the rope and escape the camp. They could easily have done so, but instead, they didn't try at all. With curious, he asked a trainer nearby why the elephants were just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, "When they were little and young, we used the same size rope to tie them. And, at that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them. So they never try to break free." The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that over time they adopted the belief that it just wasn't possible. Moral of the story: no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. You have to do everything to make your dream reality. Sometimes you may feel like this is impossible. But over time, with consistent work, you'll reach your dream one day. Don't ever let somebody tell you that you can't do something. You got a dream, you gotta protect it. You want something, go get it. Period.